Hello everyone, my name is Dina and today we're going to talk about animal cells. For your information, living things are a basic unit called cells. In general, animal cells has a lot of several parts, but today we're going to focus on 4 parts only. It is called cell membrane, cytoplasm, mitochondria, and last but not least, nucleus. Cell membranes controls the flow of materials in and out of the cells. Mitochondria produce an energy for reactions. Cytoplasm acts a medium where chemical reactions occur. Nucleus controls all activities in the cell. It contains chromosomes consisting of deoxyribonucleic acids, or we call it as DNA. It carries human genetic information. That's all from me, from Bina One KHAZIN, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.